whether you're self-reflecting or managing a team, it's really easy to focus on what you need to fix. And that's what most people are doing every day. Hey, this isn't working right. How can I fix it? And that's really good. So if you can find problems, fix them fast, move on, find the next one, fix it fast, move on. We talk about that a lot in this book. Great thing to do, but when you're doing that, it's really easy to forget about praising people for the good stuff, or even thinking about things that you do well, and not just because it's some mental, cosmic feel-good thing. It really, if you think about hitting a golf ball, or hitting a puck, a slap shot, or even a volleyball or whatever, when you do it just right, it just feels good, and you remember it, and that helps you with your muscle memory, and then you can do it again and do it again, and you're looking for that feel-good hit. And so when you do something really well and you acknowledge it, whether it's yourself or somebody else acknowledge it to you, or you acknowledge it to other people, you remember that. Like, your brain feels good and remembers that. And so that's a really powerful tool to say, hey, what you did right there, keep doing it like that. That was perfect. See this right here? What you did? That's exactly what you need to do. How you handle that customer, keep doing that. Don't underestimate the power of that. And I think the big thing is, people know that, and they know they should do that. It's just really easy to forget. You get focused on other things, but you have to constantly be looking for opportunities to find something really good and point it out. And don't fake it, but really, when you see something being done really well, just being really good at pointing it out. And try to get a number. Try to do 5 a day or something like that, just to keep it on the top of your mind. And again, don't force it. Don't do 5 because you have to, but just do 5 because that's a good way to think about it, and be consistent. So that's it. That's what I'm going to talk about today. Is don't forget to praise when you see the good things. That right there, that looks really good. Keep doing it.